When we start our blanket, we're going to start in the middle with our lawn, scattered with daisies, and then surrounded by beautiful flower beds. So we've got several types of flower represented, tulips, marigolds, bluebells, and well, whatever you want those blue and purple ones to be. Then after our flower beds, we add a border of more grass, followed by a path around the edges, and then we start with these lovely puff flowers to really add a nice border around our whole blanket. And then after that we move on to the diamond stitch, which adds a trellis look, and the arrow stitch is around on either side as well. And then we get to our outer layers. There's a lot going on in this outer layer. We have a square in each corner, which is unique to each corner. We've got more flower borders, and a couple of these are in quite unique techniques. You don't see them around very often, and I love trying out new things that you don't see very often. So these were right up my street, and I hope you'll enjoy them as well. But we've got some more traditional rectangle panels of a single stitch in there as well. So something nice, a little bit easier there as well. And then we come to our outer border, which is a sky filled with fluttering butterflies. So a nice little technique there. And we'll finish with a nice simple last round just to finish it off. And there you have it. The Cool Crochet Society's 2022 Crochet Along, the Country Garden Lapghan. I really hope you enjoy this. I absolutely loved making this and all the different techniques in it. So if you would like to follow along when we start on February 11th, then subscribe to this channel and you'll see all the videos once they're loaded each Friday. We'll have left-handed and right-handed versions. And of course, you can click the link below to subscribe to the Facebook group. You can subscribe to email alerts as well. So I hope to see you then, and see you soon. Bye for now.